back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how you can make a mixed atta that will be really good for weight loss, and also it will be really beneficial for people with diabetes. So before we head into the video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button next to the subscribe button, so you will be notified every time I upload a video. And also, if you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So in this mix of atta, I'll be mixing 6 different grains, and I'll be letting you know what are the benefits of each and every grain that I'll be mixing in it. So let's get started with the first grain. So the first thing that I'll be mixing is our whole wheat atta, and I have this from 24 months. To mix in our mix of attas that I'll be making today. Now coming to the next mix in that jaw and chana atta. So that is jaw, and jaw is really good for weight loss, and it has been called as poor man's wheat. Jaw used to be used in horse and cattle feed, but after it has been found in a research by Swedish researcher that it is really good for weight loss, and also it lowers cholesterol. So jaw has suddenly become a star ingredient. Jaw is extremely low in calories and it is full of fiber. That's why it keeps us full for longer time. And jaw is full of iron, calcium, protein, and it is also full of vitamin E. That's why it is really good choice to mix jaw in your mix of atta. Now the next thing that I'm going to add in my mix of atta is sattu, and sattu is like most indigenous protein source of India. Sattu is typically powdered roasted gram, and sattu has been considered as poor man's protein. And sattu is full of fiber, and it is also low in glycemic index, and having fiber, it is really good on our intestine, and also with the low glycemic index, it is really good for people with diabetes. Plus sattu is full of iron, manganese, magnesium, and it is also low on sodium. That's why we are going to add sattu in our mix of atta. And the sattu I'm using is chana sattu, and this is by the company, I believe, Jalan. So this is the sattu I'm using, and this is how it is. This is how it looks like. And the next thing that I'm going to add in my mix of atta will be ragi, and ragi is also called finger millet, and ragi is one of the few natural sources of vitamin D. Ragi is full of fiber, that's why it is really good for weight loss and also good for people with diabetes. And one more very important thing is ragi keeps you young, and also it has anti-cancer properties. So there is no chance that I'm going to leave ragi out and not mix in my mix of atta. I believe ragi is one of the main thing that we should add in a mix of atta. And this is the ragi that I am going to add, and which is from Organic Tattva. And the ragi flour looks something like this. This is like a little bit maroonish color or brownish color to it. Different from our wheat normal flour that we use. Different brownish color it has. And the last grain that I am going to add is bajra, and this is the bajra I am going to use, which is by Organic Mantra. And the bajra flour looks something like this. This is like off-white color. So bajra or pearl millet is full of protein and iron and also calcium, and bajra is also really good for weight loss, and also people with diabetes should consume bajra. And bajra also reduces cholesterol and it has anti-cancer properties. And the last thing that I'm going to add in my mix of atta is fenugreek powder. As we all know, fenugreek powder is really good for health, especially for people with diabetes and also for weight loss. You might have seen my first video for weight loss, that I soak fenugreek seeds in the water and then I drink it that way. So fenugreek is really good for weight loss, and also for diabetes it is really good. So that's how we are going to add fenugreek powder in that. Now methi or fenugreek powder, it depends on how much you want to add. You can start from 1 spoon and then you can gradually increase according to the taste you like in your atta. So what I do, I add 1 tablespoon in if I make 4 to 5 rotis. So let's get started. I'll show you quickly how to mix this atta. So now we are going to mix all the grains up to make our mix of atta. And this is whole wheat flour, and I took 1.5 times of what I took of ragi, bajra and sattu atta. So this is 1.5 times of all these mix of grains. And this is the chana and jaw atta, which is I took in similar proportion of our whole wheat atta. So I'm just going to put everything up in the bowl and mix it. So first this is our whole wheat atta. Then this is a jaw and chana. So I'm just going to give it a quick mix. Then this is bajra, and this is our sattu atta and ragi flour. So mix everything up. And then I'm going to add fenugreek powder, and in this much atta I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of fenugreek powder. So that's all I'm going to add, and we are going to give it a quick mix again. So now this mix of atta is ready for you to make rotis. So this is our mix of atta, which is really good for weight loss and also for diabetic people. So please do try this mix of atta, which will be really good for your health, and it has all the nutrients that you need. Rather than just eating normal whole wheat flour, please mix all these ingredients, all these attas that I have shown you today, and make rotis that way, and you will truly surely love the taste of rotis, as I always make it, and I really love the taste of rotis. And also, if you have liked this video, please do not forget to give a thumbs up, and also you can share this video with your friends, with your family, either through WhatsApp or on Facebook. So if you want to see any specific videos, do connect with me, and I will surely try to make those videos for you guys. So until I bring you my next video, take care and bye.